Elite Custom Golf Carts, sales, service, parts, and accessories. Visit us online at EliteCustomGolfCarts.com.
What's going on, everyone? This is Michael with Elite Custom Golf Carts. Today we have another new product we're going to be checking out. We have some wheel lights that go on the inside of the wheel for the Evolution D5, and we're going to show you how to put them on. So here we go. Alright, so here we go. We got the guys starting on it here. Basically, you are going to jack up the front end, and you are just going to take the front wheel off, and then it's going to come with these silver brackets right there. Alright, so this is looking at the back side of your brake calipers here, and I can show you on the front. So basically this bolt here and this bottom bolt here are where you're going to mount the two brackets right there that come with it. So he's going to get these mounted up. Alright, so he's got the top bolt out here. We're going to do one at a time because you don't want to take both of these bolts out at the same time, or the brake, the whole brake thing's going to fall off. So he loosened the top one, pulled it out, and we're going to put that bolt right back in there. Alright, so here we go, putting the top bolt back in. We're just going to kind of get it going. Alright, so we're just drilling these through. The holes are a little bit small, but if you just use something, get it going through there. Alright, we're going to put this bottom back in. Alright, so we got this one mounted up, and as you can see, try to keep like an even kind of ring around there because this is going to be spinning. So you want that to be able to spin freely. So this is going to be on the back. Got two top ones mounted up there, and the bottom one mounted up there. And that's the front. Just repeat that on the other side, and we'll show you how to do the back. Alright, so on the back, we got the back wheel off here. So that's the other side. He's got it jacked up. This one is pretty easy. Literally, you just want to line this thing up. It has two feet that stick out right here. And then you're going to use this metal band to clamp these feet. Alright, so here it is. We got you on the front. Like I said, kind of keep that even space. It's a little bit off the brake drum, so this guy can spin without hitting. And then as you can see there, we got your 2 feet right there and right there. And then we tightened the clamp down to attach it to the axle there. And then you just do the same thing on the other side, and we'll show you how to wire it up. Alright, so this is going to be your wiring system. Got your remote here, so you can turn it on and off, change the modes. This is the controller. If you scan that QR code, you can download the app to get even more options than what you can do with the controller there. And a little power button. We took the 2 ends and put 2 spade connectors in. The best place to wire this into is going to be these 2 wires right here, and I'll show you which one's positive and which one's negative. That way you don't mess anything up. Alright, so here we are testing your 2 plugs to make sure which one is positive and which one is negative. So we have 12.7 volts with the cart turned on, and the wire that is labeled 60, 62, which I don't think you can see it very good. But yeah, the 62 wire right there is gonna be, that's gonna be your positive. So you want, alright guys, it's a little rainy and cloudy today, so I went ahead and got our light here, but you can see we've got the positive wire going to 62, and we have the negative wire going to 13, which is your black wire. The red wire goes to 62 right there. Again, this is underneath the back seat, and this wire should be there on every D5 model. Alright, so we got them working here, so we'll show you here in just a second with the wheels on. So we're getting all the wires kind of run and eaten up, so you just run 1 wire from each one to these 4 plugs right here. You kind of run the wires wherever you feel fit. Everybody can probably run them a little bit different, but All right, we got our new product here, Evolution D5 wheel lights. So these things are inside the wheel. This is with the factory wheel right there. This is on the front of a D5. I'm gonna show you on the other side with the chrome wheels. All right, and this is the wheel light with the chrome mods Carnage wheels. Pretty good looking with the chrome. Again, on Evolution D5.